what's going on, everybody? It's Saturday. We know what Saturday means. It means a great piece of meat, great friends, great family, and I hope where everyone is at, you guys are doing the same. So let's do it. Today, we have a beautiful tri-tip, and this tri-tip is gonna bring us all happiness. But let's start off by saying we got that 40-hour work week burned through, and we're gonna get this smoker going. Today, we're gonna do the smoker to the reverse sear. And that's important because when you have family over and you have all these things going on, you don't want to be tied to the grill. You want to just do something simple. So here we go. Let's start this off by saying, you know what? Everyone's drink of choice may be an iced tea, maybe something else, but mine today is a nice cold beer. And you know what? I think we all deserve this. So let's do this together. It's a good Saturday tasting beer right there. All right, guys, welcome back. We got that smoker right where we want it to be, 250. And remember, rule of thumb, it's always 30 minutes per pound. So with this being a 3-pound tri-tip, we're gonna be looking at about an hour and a half. And remember, we're going with the reverse sear method. So you gotta pull that thing out at about 120. You don't wanna overcook it because you're gonna continue to cook on that grill when you put that beautiful bark on that thing. So let's do it. Let's put this thing in there. Let's put the probe in there. Let's watch it. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna open this smoker up. I know everybody likes to, has their own smoking methods that they like to use. I like the electric smoker. It's nice and easy, not to put a lot of thought into it. So let's get this baby in there. Let's get this thing, get it going. Oh yeah, nice little sizzle in there. Beautiful. All right, guys, it's important to remember that when you get this piece of meat in there, don't be fiddling around with your smoker too much. Don't open that door too much. Leave it closed. Have faith. Let's get that probe nice and stuck in there. Beautifully. There it is. Boom. And let's check back in about an hour. Let's see where it's at. Let's get to that 120 target temp that we want to do the reverse sear. Let's make this beautiful. All right, guys. We've reached that target temperature of 130, and we definitely don't want to overcook this thing. So you know what? I'm going to pull this thing out and let it rest a little bit because I do got a few things going on this grill right here. Got some asparagus, got some baked potatoes going. So I definitely don't want this thing to overcook. So let's pull this thing out. Let's check it out. Ah, it smells so good. You guys know what I'm talking about. And I know it doesn't look like much now, but we're gonna put that crust on it. We're gonna reverse sear this thing, and it's gonna be beautiful. Let's check it out. All right, guys, this is where we're gonna start that coveted searing process. And it's important to remember that when you sear it, you're not burning it. So let's pay a lot of attention to not burning it, but searing it, and that's what gives you that beautiful bark that we look for. Oh yeah, yeah. Don't worry when it's doing that. Don't worry when it's getting happy and the flames are coming around, but remember what we said, we're not gonna burn it. We're gonna sear it. And you want that grill just piping hot. You're just bringing that beautiful bark to it. It's gonna raise in some temperature, but you're really looking for that bark. And this is what we're looking for right there. That's what we're looking for. Right there. Not too much though. Gets back to the, we're not burning it, we're searing it. Oh yeah. Make sure our asparagus is burning here. And we want asparagus to be happy and not burn. We like to get that fat side a little bit better. We like that fat nice and caramelized, nice and seared. Because when you cut it, it's going to really give you that flavor. So antsy. We're gonna go 142. We're gonna call that done. 142. And that's what they say. It's not necessarily a lot about the number. It's about what's good for you. But you do want to be close to that target temp that you want, because you don't want to overcook and you don't want to undercook. Let's take her off instead of rest now. Let that think about it. Alright guys, here we go. I am no professional by any means, but I will tell you that any journey, the journey is always the fun part. And we had a great journey today. My friends, my family, we're all here. And I hope when I cut into this thing that there's a little pink left. But as you all know, this cook took way longer than I thought it was going to. But hey, we had a great time today, and that's what it's all about. So let's cut into this thing and let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, I see a little bit of pink in there. So happy guys. I'm so worried about this. This one was really stressful to me. You know what guys? I don't think you can beat that. There's a little bit of pink in there. Very tender. And you know what guys? I am so happy that this happened today, because I was so nervous in this cook. I wanted this to be perfect. But as we know, nothing's perfect. Nothing's ever perfect. But what is perfect is the time that you spend with your friends, the time that you spend with your family, and all of these things come together in the end. And you know what? I was nervous today for no reason, because that is beautiful. That is beautiful. And I think all of you looking at this today can say, you know what? I would bite into that and it would taste amazing. So, you know what? Always have faith. No matter what, you always go. Never look back and charge into it. Even if you don't know what you're doing, just go. I've enjoyed this day with all of you. It's been a lot of fun. And remember, friends and family are most important. And whatever happens other than that, it really doesn't matter. Thanks guys. We'll talk to you soon. Alright guys, so the final thought on this one is, you know, great day, as we all do on Saturday when you burn that 40-hour work week down. You have a beverage of your choice. But I do want to send one great shout out to our best friend Jonathan. And you know what? He's got a really great cooking channel which is called Jonathan's Cooking Journal. And it's on, you can find it on YouTube and as well as Instagram as well. So, you know, check that out. This video wouldn't have been possible without him. And you know what? This is our great friend. This is our great person that we do all of our off-road adventures with, and he's our great navigator. And he's just a really great guy. So you know what? Let's all do him a favor. Let's help him out. Let's subscribe. Let's hit that like channel, that like button, and let's do it, guys. And the only thing we got to do now is just enjoy this great meal with all of our great family and friends. I hope you do the same on this great Saturday, and see you later.